So today I'm doing shit with Daryl. I am laser engraving. I got this laser engraver from Temu. It was pretty cheap. It's Acma. I think it's 2.5 watts or something like that. So this picture I'm engraving is Benny Russell. He was a sci-fi writer for a magazine back in the 40s, I guess. And he was black, and he was the only black writer, and no one knew he was black. So he went through a lot of things. Like one of his young boys got killed by the police a couple of feet from him. Then he subsequently got beat up by those police. He ended up getting fired from the magazine or quitting, something like that. But he was a figure in history. And you can learn all about him on the episode of Deep Space Nine called Far Beyond the Stars. I don't remember what episode it is, but I will put it in the description so you can watch it. And that's it for my voiceover. Enjoy the sounds.